Hi everyone, this is Dina. In this video, I'm all excited to take you through my recent purchase, which is the Boult Audio Z Charge wireless headphones. Let me take you through some of its features. This lightweight yet sturdy neckband provides supreme comfort for all-day use. The stylish design of the device gives it an upmarket appearance. With 14.2 mm dynamic drivers and an inbuilt mini woofer, the audio output of this neckband is top-notch. Additionally, a highly sensitive quad mic provides great voice clarity while placing calls. These water-resistant earphones are IPX5, thus these are apt for sweaty workouts and moist outdoor weather. Once fully charged, you are good to go for at least 40 hours of heavy use. Bluetooth 5.2 technology ensures that the wireless connection happens instantly within a second. This stylish-looking neckband is available in multiple color variants such as black, blue, red, and so you can go ahead and take your pick. The Boult Audio Z Charge not only looks quite stylish but also provides great audio output.